Hey guys, this is the second video today. I'm very surprised. I might do 2 videos a day. I don't know yet. I might do 3. It depends how busy I am. So yeah, now this time we're going to play Pet Tycoon. I didn't play this at all, so I'm interested in what this game got in store for us. And if someone's going to call, I'm going to just say, sorry, I'm making a video. So yeah. So nobody can make me stop. Oh, this is interesting. I really never played this. I am a green pet store. I don't like really this helmet while I have fun, but I don't know how to get off. Come on, begin working. I'm going over this like a million times. Oh my god, nothing is working. There's really nothing here. I feel like first we need to go here. Okay, I want to just collect. How are we making money? And we don't have anything there. I think we need to. I'm going to leave and play a different pet tycoon, so don't get confused, okay? So where I have played one, but I don't see where it is. Oh, right here. I'm not going to play Baldi or anything that crazy yet, but I will play a Baldi game soon. If you hear music, it's because my dad's painting. He likes music. So yeah, I might not be talking for a lot because I just want us to do. Oh, so which one should I go to? Blue, green, white, yellow, pink, or red? Which one? This one's blue, that one's red, that's one white, and that one's pink, that's yellow, and that's green. What should you are going to choose? Okay? Okay, I'm gonna guess just have to play like this, or I can reset my character, and hopefully this isn't here. Reset? Reset. I started talking for no reason. So see if this is going to disappear. Let me just write 1, 2, 3. Submit. Okay, fine. We're going to have to play with this. So let's just go to a random one because I can't see a thing. Oh, I wanted the pink. How am I supposed to go? I guess I can just. I'm going to have to actually reset my character because I have no idea. I want to invite a friend to play. Invite. Sending. Invited. So she might come, but reset. Reset. I really just wish we can just get rid of this, but subscribe to Funnel Games with the code. Oh my god. I really hate this because I can't see what I'm going on. Did I get stairs? Yes. Let's just drop into. I need 70. So yeah, we're already 4 minutes in, and I'm gonna just keep on pressing this. My laptop is shaking. If you can't tell on the camera, probably you can't because you're in my. This is all on the screen. Hopefully I go over a 70. because I can't tell. That's everyone? Oh, I have 16 more. Hopefully it's here. Unicorn teddies! I need 150. I guess I can help with my click to make money thing. You can also play as well if you want. I don't know if I'm making money or not. Yes, I am. $301. One more than 300. 400. That should be very easy in my hope. Well, it's super easy. 400. Easy breezy. If I can just keep on clicking this, I can be done in no time. I'll just, when I feel like stop to click, I'm going to stop to click. I'm not going to even click. I feel like, yep, that was what I was thinking. I won't say, I think it's over 8K, not 4K. These toys are no match for me. I can make money. I'm not talking much because I'm not used to talking that much on videos. But some videos I talk a lot, like about every stage and stuff. I feel like we're going to play a obby. Yeah, I want to just leave and play a obby. Well, I feel like I know which obby I'm going to play, but I don't feel like it's going to be interesting for you guys. She's playing Jared, but I feel like now let's play a obby. I don't know if it's going to be interesting for you all. I want to just cross my fingers and hope you like this one. I want to play the really easy obby. And yes, I did play this already, but it puts you all the way to the back, so yeah. Once my friend came over to play, I was playing on my phone. It was on the laptop because for easier for me on the phone, for him on the laptop, so kept on needing my help. I was way ahead. I got to the maze part. Then he used my Robux. Can you believe that? To get a stage. And that was the maze because I helped him get there. And there was really no way he beat it because he cheated. Or he beat the system, you can say that. Yeah, a second try already made it. Come on, this is very easy. Look, there's a timer. That means a second timer because stages event seconds. See? Second timer. Huh? If I make any of you laugh, please comment. Yes. Then I know I'm at least funny for some people. This part is kind of hard because it's invisible. I thought I died, but I didn't. My trick is to walk straight. Okay. My trick didn't work that time. Go, 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 whoever you person you are. Go! Come on, show the path. And on this one you can actually see because it's a look. You can just, if you look closely, there is a small, I don't know how to say that, difference. And the first time I played it, that wasn't there. I don't know why, but it's like hovering over my head, like I texted it, but I didn't. See, it just disappears. Why did it? Oh, I think I know why they did it. Because some people can't do the look under thing, and they were like, some people can do the look under thing. They said they're really easy, obby, so let's make it easy. I think. I don't know. I'm already on stage 5. More disappearing things. When they disappear, and they don't. And they do come back, and I died because I didn't pay attention. I want to take the long way around. Yes, the long way around. I was taking the twister. Oh my, it does. So I guess I can't take the long way. I'm kind of there. Now I'm just jumping, so some disappear, some don't. So then I can always go back on the other ones and just pretty much jumping. See, those suddenly disappeared. This is kind of easy, aka hard if you're playing on a laptop. Because you have to angle it, and you have to keep on, and you can die very easily if you're using a laptop. I kind of want to just go back and jump, and do that. Stage 6, can I make it? I made through this because Kian helped. And I died. Okay, I finally made it. Took me a while. I think I'm going to end the video here. So yeah, goodbye. Hopefully you enjoyed. And so yeah, I might do 2 videos, maybe 3 videos a day. I want to continue this. I want to probably get back to you when I'm probably done the maze, or when I'm pretty much halfway there, because I'm already there's only 13 stages, so I'm a little bit more than halfway, I guess. So there's like 6 more stages. So yeah, if you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe. See ya.